The natural world is not only beautiful and inspiring, it is essential to our own survival.
It provides us with food, clean air, and water. It works to temper flooding, fires, violent weather, and by locking away carbon, regulates the entire climate. Nature is what keeps our world stable and dependable.
Yet we are inflicting grave harm. Our activities are putting humans in conflict with nature, bringing the world to its knees.
If we continue as we are, habitats across the world will crumble within decades, tipping all life, including ourselves, into an unstoppable decline.
This is the moment we change, become protectors of nature, restore what has been lost.
Let's choose to care for the habitats essential for life. Let's choose a world with healthy rainforests, grasslands, wetlands, lakes and rivers. A world in which nature is the beating heart of the stable earth we so desperately need.
We can make this the decade in which the natural world stops fading and begins to thrive once again. We will award the Earthshot Prize to the most outstanding efforts to meet this challenge. To those who end the destruction of nature and create jobs for people who look after it. To those who eliminate poaching and illegal wildlife trafficking. To those who plant billions of trees, securing the health and well-being of generations to come.
We can, together, protect and restore nature. The Earthshot Prize, a decade of action to repair our planet.